Daily water requirement. Each household, 50 to 250 gallons per day. 0.189 to 0.945 cubic meter per day. Each horse, 12 gallons per day. 0.045 cubic meter per day. Each cow producing milk, 40 gallons per day. 0.151 cubic meter per day. Each dry cow or steer, 12 gallons per day. 0.045 cubic meter per day. Each hog, 4 gallons per day. 0.015 cubic meter per day. Each sheep, 2 gallons per day. 0.008 cubic meter per day. Each 100 chickens, 6 gallons per day. 0.023 cubic meter per day. Each 100 turkeys, 18 gallons per day. 0.068 cubic meter per day. Thank you so much for watching. Please visit and support also my other channel, Coffee Break. Link is in the description box. God bless and more power, future engineers.